Hi, I'm RT from Vortic Watch Company, and I'm so excited to tell you about the military edition. A while ago, a gentleman brought us a family heirloom pocket watch, just like so many people do, but this one was different. It had a black dial and stark white hands with 24-hour markers, and it had a long sweeping second hand with a hacking feature just like a stopwatch. The pocket watch case had military markings on the back, and it was just astonishingly beautiful. After researching what he brought us, I fell in love. This was the watch that won the war. Called the Master Navigator's Watch, it was commissioned by the US military for the Army Air Corps in World War II. This was a piece of military history. So I started hunting, and over the past few years I've gathered 50 of these pocket watches. It's sad, but they've been discarded and forgotten. And the estate auctions and pawn shops and private individuals that I'm purchasing these from, they say, well, what are we supposed to do with a pocket watch nowadays? So we're building them into a set of custom limited edition wristwatches called the Military Edition. In order to do them justice, we've overbuilt our engineering system by designing and machining all the components from titanium and using a stealthy black DLC coating on each component. Each piece comes with a set of 3 straps designed and crafted specifically for the Military Edition. We launched the Military Edition on Veterans Day in partnership with the Veterans Watchmaker Initiative. $500 from the sale of each watch will help secure futures for our U.S. military veterans in training to become watchmakers. By purchasing this watch, you are directly supporting the past, present, and future of American watchmaking. Thank you for your support. And to our veterans, thank you for your service.